Every time a plane leaves the ground, 86.5 million people feel the tug. That's not a slogan, just arithmetic. From the Kenyan grower clipping roses at dawn for a 777's belly to the Montreal coder tweaking flight plan code at 2 a.m. The chain starts the moment the wheels stop kissing the tarmac. Today we'll chase that chain link by link and find out why the world's biggest employment web lives inside the aviation sector, and why your own paycheck might be part of it. Section 1. The first ring, direct jobs. Let's begin where most folks stop looking, inside the plane and all around it. Pilots, flight attendants, air traffic controllers, ramp agents, security guards, and the night shift techs rebuilding turbine blades under sodium lights add up to 11.6 million direct jobs. That's the entire population of Belgium, working so 4.4 billion of us can go somewhere new each year. No pilots, no planes, no story. Section 2, the second ring, supply chain, shockwaves. Behind every departure hides a factory you'll never see. A single GE 9X engine carries 80,000 parts sourced from 5 continents. Someone in Krakow mills the fan blade casing, someone in Singapore coats it so it won't melt at 2000 degrees Celsius. The aluminium, carbon fiber, code, fuel additives, and even the coffee in the galley spin another 20.4 million jobs. When an airport adds a runway, concrete plants fire up, architects draft new terminals, and city halls cash fatter tax checks. Before the first passenger boards, the money's already paid 1,000 morning rents. Section 3, the third ring, induced spending. Aviation paychecks don't sit still. Pilots buy houses, mechanics take their kids to diners, controllers pay university fees. That spending quietly supports 17.2 million more jobs. Teachers, nurses, baristas. Jobs you'll never file under aviation, yet they're alive because departure gates ring in 197 countries every day. Section 4, the fourth ring, tourism's golden thread. Now the chain goes global. 58% of travellers fly in, and every 30 new visitors create one hotel job. Safari guides in Tanzania, sushi chefs in Tokyo, surf instructors in Hawaii, 37.3 million tourism jobs ride on scheduled wings. In 2023, those tourists spent $1.6 trillion. That's Spain's entire GDP. Shut the skies and beaches empty, open them, and a Balinese fishing village learns Japanese to serve the catch of the day. Section 5. Cargo in the spotlight. Passengers get the movies. Cargo pays the fuel. Planes haul only 1% of global tonnage, yet carry 33% of trade by value. One pallet can hold $2 million worth of smartphones that leave Shenzhen at sunrise and hit Chicago shelves before dinner. Vaccines, pacemakers, and Formula One parts all ride up front because time is profit and profit is payroll. When the Ever Given blocked Suez for 6 days, air freight rates jumped 30%, European factories stalled, and courier companies hired 15,000 temps overnight. The world's just-in-time heartbeat has turbine blades. Section 6. Developing economies, the fast lane up. When you're landlocked or rail poor, the sky is the only highway. Rwanda's roses reach Amsterdam florists in 48 hours, earning enough foreign exchange to fund 10,000 university scholarships. Ethiopia funneled cargo revenue into Africa's largest industrial park beside Bole Airport. 80,000 workers now sew clothes for Zara and H&M. In the Maldives, 95% of visitors arrive by air. Without those flights, the country's entire GDP would deflate like a punctured float. Aviation here isn't a perk, it's the line between subsistence farming and a middle-class future. Section 7, the invisible numbers, Stack the rings direct, indirect, induced tourism and you land on 86.5 million jobs. That's every person in Germany, all clocking in because a plane pushed them onto a payroll. If aviation were a country, its $4.1 trillion impact would trail only the US, China and Japan. Yet the workforce hides in plain sight. The engineer in Wichita stress testing lighter composites, the florist in Quito stacking 600 tons of lilies a week, the app developer in Mumbai debugging baggage tracking code. They've never met, but they all punch in for the same reason. A flight is leaving soon. Next time you click your seatbelt, picture 86 million other belts tightening because that door just shut. If this ripple caught you off guard, hit subscribe. We're only getting started on hidden economies. Drop a comment. What's a job you'd never realized lives under aviation's wing? When the wheels kiss the runway, the chain doesn't stop. It loops. The plane taxis, refuels, reloads, and the dance begins again. Tonight, a farmer heads back to his fields. A controller clocks off. A tourist steps into a city that now depends on her footsteps. 86.5 million stories, one industry, no finish line.